Hi, join me as I show you how to do the Suzette stitch. I'm using my scrap yarns. I've already made this square. It's a very texturized stitch and very easy to make. This video is for beginners. We'll need the yarn. I'm using 4-ply yarn, 100% acrylic. The brand is Winter King. It's made in Kenya. The color is 505. So we're going to use the yarn. You need the scissors. You'll need a 4mm hook and the stitch marker if you like to mark your starting stitch, and a tape measure. We're going to start with a slip knot. So to make a slip knot, you just grab the yarn with your middle finger, round it up around your index finger, take your crochet hook and pull that end. Easy peasy. So to make this square, so I want to make the same size because I will be joining all these squares to make a blanket. So we'll start with 17 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. So we've done 17 stitches. We are going to go into the back loop. See this bump at the back? We're going to do a single crochet as our first row. So you will skip the first stitch and go into the second stitch and do a single crochet all the way back. 15 and 16. If you need to make yours bigger, you can just increase the number of chains. Make sure it's an odd number. We have 16 stitches, 16 single crochets. We are going to chain 1, turn our work, and right here in the first single crochet, we're going to do half double crochet. So yarn over, go into that stitch and pull through all 3. Okay, then we're going to skip the next single crochet and into the third one. From the beginning, we are going to do a single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. Then we are going to skip the next one, and into the 5th one we'll do a single crochet and a double. So skip 1, single crochet, double crochet in the same stitch, skip 1, single crochet and double crochet in the same stitch, skip 1, single crochet and double crochet in the same stitch, skip 1, single crochet and double in the same stitch, skip 1, single crochet and double crochet in the same stitch. So now we have the last one remaining. So on the last one, we are going to end it the same way we started. We are going to end it with a half double crochet. That's our second row. Remember, the first row is single crochets, the second row is our repeat row. Our third row, so for the third row, you chain 1, turn into this half double crochet. We do another half double crochet. So we are going to be starting with a half double crochet and ending with a half double crochet. So to know if you're doing it right, once you get to your third row, you should only be working on the single crochet stitches, in the single crochet stitches, sorry. So we are going to go into the single crochet stitch with a single crochet and a double crochet. So for the third row onwards, we are going to do a single crochet and a double crochet in the single crochet from the previous row. When you get to the end, you yarn over and close it with a half double crochet. We've done our second row. Okay, chain 1, turn. The chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch, so we are going to yarn over, go into the half double crochet and start with another half double crochet into this. Skip the double crochet, go into the single crochet with a single crochet and a double crochet like that. Okay, so this is the third, this is the fourth row. So in each single crochets from the previous row, we are working a single crochet and a double crochet, and this with half double crochet. See how it's turning out, how the texture is starting to show. So we are going to be repeating row 2 until we have our preferred height. Just make it longer. Like if you want to do a cardigan, you can probably take your shoulder to shoulder measurement and then split that into probably either three squares or 2 squares. I'll see you when we are closing, then I'll show you how to close. Half double crochet. So we've done row 1, 2, 3, 4. This we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 rows. We are going to do 13 rows. So we've done row 1, 2, 3, 4. We've done 4 rows. Okay, so that's row 6. Chain. It's where we are now. See how they line up? They line up so well. I'm now doing my 12th row. So I start with a half double crochet, skip 1, go into the single crochet space and do a single crochet and a double crochet into the same single crochet. So it's just a repeat, a 1 row repeat. We are ending our row 12 with a half double crochet, chain 1, turn, another half double crochet to start us on our 13th row, single crochet, double crochet, skip 1, a half double crochet. So I just want to show you where we are. So here is where we are. Okay, see they're almost the same. The difference is because we need to do another row of single crochets. Okay, this makes it easier when it's time to join the squares. We are going to do single crochets across, all the way across. See, and then we are going to chain 1, pull out our yarn, and we are going to cut that off. Okay, so this is what we have. This is our Suzette stitch. So I'm making mine 4 by 4, like 4 inches by 4 inches. So I'll see you on the next one. We'll be exploring a different kind of stitch. So please subscribe, like, comment, whatever stitch you want me to show you. I can slow it down for beginners. Comment with which stitch you want me to show you next. Thank you and bye.